back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. And of course, make sure you guys don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are loving all of these videos that I post for you guys. Every week, I will be sharing with you guys some of my favorite items, whether it's a collaboration that I've had with a company or an item that I have spent my own money on. Either way, I want to share these items with you guys just so that you can have some really cool ideas of what you should get your family and friends for Christmas. So for this week, I am so excited to share with you guys a collaboration coming from a bra company that I am working with. The company's name is Yeah Bra.
Yeah, brah. Get it?
So Yeah Bra sent me 3 different sports bras to try out, and I love all of them. So let's get right into it. Yeah Bra sent me 3 bras, like I said, and here's what the packaging looks like. As you can see, there's no bra in it because I have worn all 3 of them and I absolutely love them. But here's what your packaging will look like. And it basically just says wire-free bra, secure and support, which, oh my goodness, the support on these bras are amazing. So as you can see, it tells you what is inside of the packaging, how many. This says 3-pack and then the size. For those of you who would like to know what size I normally wear in bras, I am a 34B. That size is comfortable for me for my bust as well as my shoulders. And on the back of the packaging, it just gives you a little bit more information on the bra that you have inside of your packaging. For example, on the back of this one, it says, finally, it's the bra you've been waiting for. Seamless, supportive, and so comfortable. You can wear it all day and even sleep in it. True story. All of that completely accurate. Providing ample support for neck and back pain relief. The secure and support wire-free bra is made of a 4-way stretch nylon and spandex that does away with the need for uncomfortable hooks, eyes, and underwires. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the bras that I picked, and a little bit later I will actually show you guys what the bras look like on me. Okay, so the first one I love so much. It's this super cute pink bra. This to me is like a carnation pink. It has a really cool lacy wraparound kind of style to it, and the hooks are actually in the front instead of the back, just to add a little bit of a design. I love this bra. I love how comfortable it is. Again, I love the support it gives. It also comes with some special padding if you may need it. And also on the back, as you can see, it's really nice and stretchy and very, very comfortable material. This one is called the Yeah Bra Lace Vest Bra. So it's kind of like a cute little vest. It comes in so many different colors. Again, the sizing would be small, large, extra large, etc. Again, I'm a 34B, so I went with a medium. I absolutely love this bra because compared to some other bras that I have, this one just gives me the support that I really need without having to worry about a wire underneath. I can't stand when I have to wear a bra for long periods of time, and then when I take it off, I have that really uncomfortable wire feeling. So I really love that this is the type of bra that I could actually lounge around in around the house with just my pajamas on. It's absolutely perfect. The next one, I think this one is my favorite. I love all 3 of them, but this one is my favorite. You cannot go wrong with an all black bra. The name of this bra is the Yeah Bra Air Wire-Free Bra, which we always love. An amazing wire-free bra. Again, compared to my other bras that have wires, even my sports bras, it's just so much more convenient and so much more comfortable to not have to worry about having a wire bra but still having the perfect support that a wired bra would hold. That's what I love the most about this bra. This bra grabbed my attention because it's classic black. Black goes with everything. You can dress this bra up or down or work out in, or again, you can lounge around your house. So this bra is super breathable in that sense. Again, tons of support, comes with padding, super stretchy, very, very comfortable. And just so you guys know, in this particular bra, it does come in black, white, and nude. You will see the color options on the website. And finally, another favorite of mine. All 3 of them are my favorites, but who can go wrong with a purple bra? You guys all know that purple is my absolute favorite color, so when I saw this one, I absolutely had to have it. And this bra is called the Yeah Bra Zip Wire-Free Bra. This one also comes in multiple really pretty colors. They have purple, they have black, they have blue, they have green. The list goes on. You will see all of the available colors on the website. Again, this is in a size medium as well. This one is unique in its own way because it has a zipper in the front, which I love, so it gives you kind of that more trendy vibe. I love a good bra that zips in the front. It just kind of gives more personality, you know, as opposed to just the plain old sports bras. I personally think this is going to be a great bra for spin class. If you do spin classes, this is perfect. Tons of support. Also has the padding, again, wire free, so it's amazing. And then it has a really cool design in the back. In comparison to the other bras that I wear, I love the fact that Yeah Bra is true to size. I didn't have to go up or down in size. Everything stayed the same. If you are one of those people that cannot stand padding in your bras, remove it. So just know that that option is available for you, especially for the bras that I picked out. These are all removable pads. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give these bras a 10 out of 10. They are so convenient, so comfortable, stretchy, supportive, secure. Everything stays in place. They are amazing. I will leave all of their information in the description box below. And if you'd like to see how I wore my Yeah Bra bras, keep on watching.
Wave. I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She laced the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet to sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that I dies at penitentiary. Nice sky, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. My heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Acrylics hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a strong to when a co-sign me. I don't even like me. Now I'm staring in the mirror in different poses. Claim me the realest, the shy, but timid. The riddles were fingers, they simple-minded. Find a road to top, I'm taking it. From the ground, now we paving it. Hella boastful when I'm ventilating. Too much on my place, then they take it. Yeah, new sounds, I make a facelift. I'm in a new town, I make the wave split. New talent, we accruing balance. Where I run the game until my shoe is calloused. On a loose gravel, keep the flame lit. I relay the message, nobody better. I'm bringing them careless, I want it forever, but I'm with whatever. Cause these days, I've been doing things my way. Hide away, make me feel this all on my face. You know I got it made.